Hey guys, how's it going? Ferry from Tools and Gadgets, and today we have the Grownsy washing machine. So we are very fortunate enough that Grownsy reached out to us and asked us if we could review one of their top tier bottle washing machine products. And obviously, as you know, I'm a stay-at-home dad and I hate washing the bottles. So I haven't washed my kids' bottles since last night. So this one is from last night and this one is from this morning, as you can see. And yeah, I just really don't like washing bottles. So yeah, I'm really excited to open this up and test this out. My kid is already 3 years old, but I wished I would have got this very early stage in my kid's journey. So yeah, as you can see, my kid is already 3 years old and he's still using baby bottles, and you could use this for a couple of years, maybe until 4 years old, which will make this a very good investment. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. If you decide to pick one of this up, my link will be posted in the description box below, and also the code for you to be able to get massive discounts. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, and I'm so excited to show it to you as well, guys. Oh yeah, and here we go. All right, so as you can see, all of this is brand new, so I haven't used this yet. Here at the back you have your clean water, so this is where this washing machine will be getting water from. All right, so here inside you have your top lid. So your top lid is kind of a bit raised up. You have your middle insert here. So yeah, don't worry, I'll show you the inside of this later on. In here, guys, we have I think this is the drain pipe. Just put this right beside a sink and you should be good to go. You have your cord here, power cable cord. So right out of the box, guys, you have the descaling tablets here. So you have 5 tablets ready to go, and there's 2 more here. So these are the detergent tablets. So you have 2 of those inside the box. So you have 30 tablets each pack. So you will be getting a total of 60 tablets. And also you have your manual here. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, let me show you the controls and the inside and what it looks like. So yeah, this is what it looks like up close, guys. So yeah, you have your top lid here, which is really tall to accommodate those big items here on the top. So inside, guys, you have your bottle holder here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, I think this revolves, and this is what sprays the water, and also this part over here. So yeah, let's go ahead and stick this to the wall and we'll see how the controls here works. Okay, so let's just go ahead and grab our plug here, just like that, and you get your hose here. Which one is the one to plug at the back? Is the one that is slightly angled, just like that. So guys, I just want to talk about these scaling tablets. So this is what you use after every 20 uses of this. You put 1 descaling tablet here to clean this hole up and run it for 1 more cycle after it finished. Yeah, it will descale all the mineral deposits there. So yeah. So guys, what I noticed is that you have your bottle holder here, right? But what I noticed is that you put the bottle inside this nozzle so that it could effectively clean this bottle up. And here, guys, on top, I noticed that when I do like this, the bottle nipple usually flips over because of the pressure. So what I do is that I just put it on top of that so that it gets the job done as well. And yes, guys, don't forget to put in your detergent tablets. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it looks like little pills or tablets. Let's just throw this in. Just like that, so it goes directly down to the bottom. In order to turn this on, guys, all you need to do is long press the power button. All right, so first off, let's go ahead and choose standard. As you can see, it would take 99 minutes to finish the whole process of drying and storage and sterilization. But if you just choose the washing and the sterilization, it would just take 39 minutes. But if just the washing, it would take 29 minutes. And yeah, let's go ahead and choose the fast here. So at the fast, guys, with the washing, drying and storage and sterilization, it would take 89 minutes, but without the drying and storage, it would take 29 minutes to wash and sterilize the bottle. But if you just choose to wash the bottle in fast mode, it would be 19 minutes. And also, guys, you have your LED bars here to know which part of the process it is currently on right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and choose standard. Let's run this whole thing. We would choose the drying and storage and the sterilization process. So yeah, after everything is set, guys, all you need to do is just press play. That's it. So guys, it's currently been a week since I've been using this every day, and it has made my job really easy. So currently it's in the storage phase. It finished the washing, rinsing, sanitizing, and the drying phase. So yeah, it's currently on right now. And what's the beauty of this is that once I open this lid, it automatically pauses. See? And as you can see, it is squeaky clean, guys. Look at that. I know I might need to sanitize this again, but yeah, it's squeaky clean. Let's see the bottles. So you can see here, guys, it is perfectly dry and really clean. Honestly, guys, when I need to wash this manually, I really need to scrub this down using a scrub inside, but then by using this Grownsy, guys, I don't need to do that anymore. Even if it's really dirty, I just place it there, stick that right into that nozzle over there. And yeah, one thing I could really say is that this really works, guys. All right, guys, so for me as a stay-at-home dad, yeah, I really recommend this. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the link in the description box below and use the promo code to get huge discount. And honestly, guys, this will really save me from, washing the bottles manually, which I think all of us hate. All right, guys, so see you again next one. Bye.